Here's how I'm building my email list from complete scratch. I'm using this opt-in page to collect leads. The 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. When people click this button, this pop-up is going to appear and I can collect a name and an email address. This page has a 38% of opt-in rate. That means that I can collect 38 emails if 100 people click on that page. And as you can see in the screen, I'm collecting emails almost every day. Now let me show you this key element. I have a picture of this ebook, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. Inside of this ebook, people are going to find valuable information. For example, how to choose your niche, how to pick the perfect product, how to create your passive income system, how to choose your traffic source, how to create consistent content, and how to build your email list. And why is it so important to build your own email list? Because you could lose your social media for whatever reason. And also because more emails equals more income. Now, let me show you. When people put their information, they will get access to this page. I'm telling people that they are going to receive an email from me, and they will receive this email and they can download the book here. And the next days, they are going to receive free trainings. If they have any questions, they can send me a message through Instagram. And when people click this button, just show me how, people is going to access this page in which I have a video. And in this video, I explain the next steps. And when they click on get started today, they will go to my affiliate link. And if they buy the program, I can make an affiliate commission. The name of this system is called Sales Funnel. This funnel has these steps: the opt-in page, the ebook, and the bridge page. And here is my affiliate offer. Now, you need to know that people don't buy at the first interaction. That's why it's important to create this follow-up sequence to give valuable information, and also you can send to your email list your affiliate offer. One of the best things about this system is that you can add multiple affiliate offers and you can promote multiple products through email marketing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.